It's quite simple. This is the exons, codons, a lot of information. Exactly, but so here, this is the article. You can find the locus. It's from Saudi Arabian children, and that's it. So the first step is done. We got the alignment. Okay, that's good. So what's next? Coding region. You got the coding region. Three more relevant ortholog. So here we find ortholog. For ortholog, you have to you can say you have to run the protein blast instead of nucleotide blast. So here's the difference that alignment needs to be blast of nucleotide, and for the ortholog you need to blast for protein. I will go back. Go back, go back, go back. Here, not here yet. Here, here. It's a simple way that I can get the ortholog. That was the page where you got the sequence and scroll down the protein. It's actually the protein sequence from nucleotide coding region. That's for my this sequence. So I will click on that, and it will give me the protein sequence. Look at that. It's the protein sequence. So now I will run the blast for protein. So here you can see that there's blast P, and you can add species here. Homo sapiens actually. That would be the Homo sapiens. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna run the blast. So here is it. We find out color. There are a few tools which I used, like on a database NCBI. You may get the gene sequence from Ensembl 2, and then you use the tool of blast N. You does blast and nucleotide protein blast. That's it.